Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook easy Redberry Kuchen. The ingredients that we are going to need are 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of oat flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 200 grams of jam, 2 tablespoons of honey. The first step in order to cook this recipe is making the oat flour. First, put 1 cup and a third of the oatmeal in the blender. Crush until it looks like flour. Then, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix the flour, the oats, the oil. If you don't have coconut oil, don't worry, you can use any type of oil. And honey with your hands. That is, all the ingredients except the jam. Here is a little fact. Did you know that coconut oil is good for your health? It can raise the good cholesterol and decrease bad cholesterol levels in your body, which may help reduce heart disease risk. The original recipe was designed to make snack bars, so instead of giving it a Kuchen shape, you can leave them as bars. If your mold is made of aluminum, add a little oil and distribute it with the help of a napkin or a silicone brush. Then, sprinkle some oat flour. This will help the Kuchen to unmold more easily. Put half of the mixture into a rectangular or circular silicone or aluminum mold and crush with your hands to compact. Also, you can use the bottom of a glass or anything else flat. Spread the jam over the oatmeal mixture. You can use the jam you want. Also, you can even put chopped fruit into small cubes, like apples, and add cinnamon powder. This mix is delicious. Then, cover with the second half of the mixture and crush gently. Another thing you can do is adding nuts, such as walnuts or almonds. If you do that, I recommend you to add them to the second half of the mix and in small pieces. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take about 25 minutes or until the top of the Kuchen has golden. Don't be scared if you see the jam start to rise. It's totally normal. Once you get it out of the oven, let the Kuchen cool. Finally, unmold and serve. Enjoy! If you liked this recipe, hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.